Nature stickies. Focus question. How does being sticky help plants and animals? Sticky nature. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being sticky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Sticky for animal. This animal sprays a sticky liquid when enemies get close. This animal play that if an enemies get close, it also makes sticky green slime. Oh, it's so stinky. This animal shoots a stinky liquid at its enemies. This animal makes sticky liquids to keep all your animal always. It also peels of food it doesn't eat right away. The smell may keep all your animal away. This animal fights all your mouth. It's too sticky pee to help all your away. Sticky bird. This bird eats leaves, tiny living things in its body. Breathes down the leaves. This way its eating makes it smell bad. Oh, it smells bad. This bird eats dead animal. It throws up enemies. Get close. It throws up. Smell very bad. This was never bad. I was just stink bugs. The bugs spray a hot, sticky liquid when the enemy gets close. The liquid is so hot that it can kill some enemies. This bug is too slow to run away to make a sticky liquid when the enemy gets close. The tortoise is also called sticky pot. It smells bad when enemy gets close. This frog smells rotten animal onions when enemies get close. Roots and sticky. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being sticky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Connection, writing and arts. Which animal from this book do you find most interesting? Why? Draw a picture and write several sentences about science. Compare your contrast to animals from this book. Make a list of how these animals are alike, how are they are different. Share your list with a partner.
Good